I'm Aiman, and welcome back to another DIY video. This video is an introduction to our series, documenting our journey with installing these low voltage electrical devices, such as these LED lights, or Christmas lights, or fairy lights, outside, far away from our house. So, first off, you'll see it's not super far away from our house, but our LEDs, like these LED lights, or cameras over there, are actually hooked up to a power source all the way over there near the garage, about 100 feet, or to be exact 90 feet distance to the garage. And, you know, to actually get it over to be hooked up to the house, you have to go through the tar. You have to go under the tar, which is a massive amount of work. So instead, we decided to route it to the garage. And the actual total length of wire from the garage to here is not 100 feet, but 125, because it has to go up from the tree, all around, past the fences, and then to the garage. So all of these devices behind me, they need a power supply. And typically, you know, it's a 110 volt power supply. But in order to do that with high voltage, you need to follow the electrical code. You would need to dig a trench 2 feet deep, and then probably you'd have to get an electrician to help you install it, and that would be a massive headache. Alternatively, you could use low voltage like we are, which means, you know, 12 volts, 24 volts, 36 volts, and that means that you don't have to follow code. And so I want to show you how exactly to do that, because it seems simple, but there's actually a lot of complicated stuff involved. So low voltage is safe, and contrary to what I said earlier, it is easy. It might be complicated, but it is easy to work with. But the thing is, with low voltage, some things become more important. For example, with high voltage, you don't have to worry about resistance. But with low voltage, the length of the wire and the size of it become important, because as the wire gets bigger or as it gets longer, that means there's more resistance. And so that's the kind of things that we want to talk about as we document this journey. So right now, this is only an introduction video, because I am actually going back to Harvard right now. I'm ready to go. So when I come back in the spring, we're going to do more videos on this. We're going to document, there's quite a lot to talk about. First, I'll just point out, like, behind you can see that we have a trench dug. You don't have to dig a trench, you could just put a wire and then put a thin layer of dirt over it. And that trench connects the wires that go all the way up the street to a junction box all the way over there. Some other things that we might talk about as we continue in the future is, you might have seen before there, I mentioned the security cameras, but we also hooked up some motion detectors that are hooked up to the lights that you saw before. So we're going to talk about that in the future. And behind this gate is this junction box that I want to show you, that is connected to the components that are at the tree. And as you can see, everything is labeled, and this junction box by itself could be its own video. So we're going to be talking about that in the future. So the wire from that junction box runs all the way along the fence, through the hole in this garage, right there. And it actually connects to this power supply right here, which then of course goes to the outlet. Okay, so like I said, this is an introductory video, so please give us more time so for me to come back from Harvard and do all these videos, and also for my dad to be able to finish all this wiring, because right now it's winter. Doing videos right now is kind of painful, so we'll wait for some better weather. In the meantime, I'm Aiman, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and look at other videos on EyeOnAiman. Especially keep a lookout for the future videos on talking about this whole process. Because as my dad was going through it, he learned quite a lot, but he had to do a lot of research in that process. So we want to share that with you and help you if you want to do something like us, where you hook up security cameras far away from your house. I'm Aiman, and signing out.